Good morning. It's 6:40 in the morning. No. It's 5:40 in the morning. Good morning. This is my cousin's house. Yeah. Tunes and Anthony's. Tunes and Nico's house. Yeah. A great big house. And in front of that, that's the school. On the way, saan tayo punta, ma? San Jose. On the way to San Jose. Let's go. Probably uncle's waiting. Morning. Uncle's house. That's my uncle. Road trip. We had the cemetery. Ano cemetery po ito, Tito? Exeter Cemetery. I'm gonna visit my uncle, the youngest of my siblings of mom and uncle. My Uncle Fidel.
And your dad? Big sister?
Beautiful. Makikiram po.
Sorry na, tapakan ko yung ano mo. Kilikili mo.
Tanggal po?
Mahina pagkatikip. Nilagay ko sa BMW.
Hi, Fidel.
Del!
Ay. Aglas na siya nung tinignan namin siya sa